Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Outlook contacts with iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Mail. Tap on Accounts. Choose Add Account. Select Outlook.com from the list of options. Enter your Outlook email address and tap Next. Provide your password and then tap Sign In. Follow any prompts to complete the sign-in process.
Once signed in, you'll see options to sync mail, contacts, calendars, and reminders.
Make sure the toggle for contacts is turned on. Tap Save to finalize the account setup. Return to the home screen and open the Contacts app. Wait a moment for your Outlook contacts to sync to your iPhone.
If your contacts don't appear right away, try restarting your iPhone.
Check your Contacts app again after the restart.
You should now see your Outlook contacts synced with your iPhone.
If needed, repeat the steps to ensure no details were missed. Enjoy accessing your Outlook contacts directly from your iPhone.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.